Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to yet another video, and we're going to do it in full screen mode. As you can see here, a little bit of a different environment. I'm actually moving all these boxes because just closed on a brand new house thanks to the online affiliate marketing world. So I'm super proud about that. And I committed myself to doing a video every single day for you guys regardless. So I've been pretty much moving all day, getting ready for moving into this house in about a week and a half, but I wanted to take some time out of the day to do a quick video for you guys today. This is actually a milestone video. We're going to go over my March 2018 affiliate marketing earnings report. So we're going to break this down step by step. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I produced these results as well. So there's going to be a little bit of tactics as well as some motivation within this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. As you can see, we got full screen mode going on here. So let's go ahead and just start from the top, and I'm going to go step by step, show you guys the earnings within the spreadsheet, and then show you guys the proof. Sound good? Awesome. So if you guys haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and that you tick the bell icon to be notified of future videos that I upload when I upload them. Okay, so with that said, go ahead and like this video and let's get started. So income stream number one is Clickbank at the top here with the biggest amount of income for the month. As you know, it's super important to have multiple streams of income, but make sure that whatever income that you're adding on to your primary income, it should complement what you're already doing, right? In other words, you shouldn't have to build a secondary skill set to create multiple streams of income. So if my platform is YouTube, right, and I'm a master marketer on YouTube, then what I should do is find multiple streams of income and multiple ways to make money through that specific platform, right? So if you're in the affiliate marketing space, find multiple ways to make money in this space without having to learn a brand new skill set, for example, like e-commerce, right? There's this misconception of multiple streams of income, and people think that they need to be trading, the markets on Forex one day, then trade Bitcoin the next day, and then learn affiliate marketing the day after that, and then learn e-commerce the day after that. And people often get overwhelmed because they're learning way too much, right? So what I say is go deep with one specific skill set, one specific niche, and find multiple streams of income, multiple ways to make money doing that one single thing that you're good at, okay? So let's go ahead and jump over to the proof here. As you can see, we're in Clickbank right here. You can see in the URL that this is my username, so we're logged in under my specific account. And if we go down here to the bottom right-hand corner, you can see $9,442.42, okay? And that's net sales amount with refunds and everything. So that's what we did in that specific income stream, okay? The next income stream is Clickmagick. And we'll jump over here to Clickmagick, $667.51. I believe we went ahead and we added all these numbers up right here. And you guys are probably wondering, how am I creating these multiple streams of income? I will cover that at the end of this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. So you guys can see the proof is in the pudding here. Another $667 of proof here. Total commissions earned from just this tracking tool, right, from Clickmagick and promoting this, $3,931.03 there. The best thing about this is I actually didn't have to directly promote this to anybody, okay? Next income stream, we've got Clickfunnels. You can see that here, making sales pretty much every day, almost at this point with Clickfunnels. I have about $905.08 pending, and you can see my future payout is $438.15. It won't allow me to go back and see the history of my commission payout, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it that we added an extra $339.31 from Clickfunnels. Okay, and the next thing is Get Response, which is $107, as you can see here, and 47 cents. And by the way, let me jump back here real quick. Lifetime earnings on Clickfunnels, $9,257.04. Get Response, Last payout in March was $107.47. Lifetime earnings, $7,558.16. So that's get response there. And then Udimi, we've done for the month of March. I added these numbers up right here before we got into April. And you can see $27.76 has been paid out to me. I still have a pending amount of $215.87 plus this 1033 from April. So this income stream is definitely growing as well. And we got Bluehost, $260, as you can see right here from Bluehost hosting company. And then we got Google AdSense. If I jump over to that, you can see in my YouTube account here, $226.86. And by the way, guys, these income streams, you'll notice throughout the future of my future earnings reports, you're going to see these grow. You're going to see all these different income streams grow. And then you have World Ventures here. That's $1,388. If we add these checks up right here for the month of March. And guys, this income is not guaranteed that you're going to create these types of results. Okay, I want to add a disclaimer, results not typical. This took consistent work and consistent effort. You know, I put a solid hour per day of productivity into my online business. I wasn't messing around scrolling through Facebook. You know, I wasn't, getting caught up in YouTube videos or, watching the news or, I put in work, right? I put in work into my business. All right. So that's World Ventures. And then I actually get paid on my tier 2 and tier 3 sales from people that I bring into my primary business. And if they duplicate, if they make sales, right, I also make money. So this is an indicator that people on my team are crushing it and they're making money. Okay. And here's the commission notifications for that right here. Get them straight through email. So you can see this day, man, we got quite a few. So I've got income coming in from so many different directions. So my question is, would you like to have multiple streams of income? Would you like to have income, stable income, coming in from many different income streams in many different directions so you can produce, close to $14,000 income like I've been able to do? If you would like a done-for-you system, right? Pretty much a business in a box that shows you from start to finish in complete detail, right? Point and click. Do this, then do this, and then do this. Nothing left out. I'm going to put a link down in the resources section. You go ahead and click that link and you can sign up. It's a $1 trial to get started. I know there's a lot of you out there. You guys have tried everything under the sun. You've bounced around, which is part of the reason why you've failed. And it's not your fault, right? There's a lot of marketers out there that want your attention. But you've got to go with the person that you resonate with, whether it's me or somebody else, and the method that you resonate with. If you would like to learn from me, I would love to coach you step by step and sort of hold your hand to success, like I've helped many people inside my Facebook group here do as well, right? We have weekly calls. We're there to help you one-on-one in a personal, small group atmosphere. Anything you need. If it's not myself, one of our other members are there to help you. We also have a private Facebook chat so you can engage with us as you're building your business. And I give you cutting edge strategies of what's working right now. So it's really sticking to one thing long term, right? Regardless, and never quitting. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, stop getting distracted by all these other things, right? They all work, but you need to learn to focus on one specific thing. And I've got my girlfriend calling here. So with that said, go ahead and click the link below in the description, get started, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Are you guys inspired? Are you loving what you're seeing here? See you guys soon.